Hey everybody, it's Brian with About Web Design here with another Squarespace tutorial for you. Today we're going to be talking about blog posts and specifically about how to get rid of the pagination at the bottom of each of your blog posts. So like the next blog post, the previous blog post. Sometimes this can get a little bit cluttered up, especially on mobile. And so I'm going to show you how to exactly to just get rid of that completely. So let's jump over my screen and we'll get right into it. All right, back again on my demo website here. And so let's just jump right over to you see here I have a blog already. If you didn't have a blog, all you need to do is hit the plus either in your main navigation and not linked, and you can choose a blog and then we'll get it added there. But like I said, I already have one here, so let's just head over there and let's go into the first article there. Actually, let's go in. We'll scroll over. Use that pagination there to go to the second one there, and you can see we have the titles at the bottom of each of them. Now you can change the font size on this, but that gets a little tricky because you never know how long the title of your blog post is going to be, and so constantly going back and forth on your size, it's a good idea, and a lot of people just like to just completely get rid of this. And so, for reasons like you can see here, like when we go into mobile view, it gets really bad. It doesn't look as bad there because this is not that long, but let's do this. Let's go back to 4, and then we will copy that, and then let's paste it and paste it again, and save and exit. And then now let's go to 2, and then we'll copy that and we'll do it a couple times. And we'll save. And then now let's go back to 3 here. Go to the bottom. And then now when you see a mobile view, that doesn't look good at all. So it's a good idea here to just get rid of this altogether. And to do this, it's going to be real simple. All you have to do is go into Google's Chrome developer tools. If I could talk, Google Chrome's developer tools. And so to do that, you just got to right click there, and then you're going to go down to the bottom and click inspect. And then you're going to want to click on the arrow that's kind of pointing to the box there. It's to select an element in the page to inspect it, and then that will allow you to hover over. Now, you don't want to select just one of these titles because that'll just get rid of that one, but then the rest of them aren't. We want to get rid of this whole section here. Okay, so we're going to click on that, and then you'll see here, let me move myself out of the way, what is actually, and click on that again, and then one more time. Okay, and you see the section ID, item, pagination. All right, and the element there, you're gonna want to click here, and you can see there whenever you do that, it highlights that section, and then you're just gonna go Command C to copy that. So that's the element that you're wanting to get a hold of there to that's what you're going to write the code to adjust here. So we're going to go down to website tools and then custom CSS, and then we've got some free lines here. So we're just going to paste that in. All right. And that's going to, let's scroll down here where you can see that. Now you're going to need to open up some curly brackets, and we'll hit enter. And then all we're going to have to do is real simple here, display colon none semicolon, and they're gone. All right. And not only are they gone, but they got rid of the space there as well. So that's a good thing. And so now, when you go to the bottom of your mobile version, it's not as cluttered looking. All right, so that's all there is to it. I'll leave this code in the description, and if you found this useful, please leave a like and subscribe. for more Squarespace tutorials like this one. And if you'd like me to build your Squarespace website for you, you can find my contact information in the description below.